This is a Fetter's 6000 BTU window air condition. Now these side fins are very stiff. You can see the back is yellowed from the sun because the sun destroys every plastic. And the inside is clean because I did take it apart and clean out the inside a while back ago, about a year ago. Or a couple months ago, but it's not perfect. But it's a nice condition. It doesn't look too clean, but see, here's some mold or dirt or whatever that is right there. But it works perfectly fine. And I actually picked this up from a restore a couple months ago when I cleaned it for 25 bucks. There's the barcode right there. Now the compressor is made in Italy. It's not a R410. You got your copper coils. Now the compressor is rusted on one side of it. I don't know if y'all can see that. And it looks like you got some spray paint right up here. But the evaporator filter's clean because I cleaned it. It was packed with dust when I got it. I don't know why it looks dusty. Guess it's just stained from dust sitting in there. You can see the evaporator copper coils in there. But here's the radiator on it. It's in very good condition. No, I mean, you got a few smashes right there, whatever you want to call it. But it's nice. It's a nice air conditioner. I'm very glad it doesn't have an R410 in it. And yes, I did crack this while cleaning it by an accident. But you can see right here, this is busted. That could be some of the reason why it wasn't too expensive. That was busted right there. And it's not in perfect condition. It does what it's supposed to do. A compressor comes on and it blows cold air. But I'm going to go ahead and forgot to mention, you got a knob missing. Now when I got this, the knob was just sitting in here. It was just sitting and it just popped, came right off. The other knob is in the other room here. But I'm going to go ahead and start it up. Put my camera back on the tripod. And here's the cord. I'm glad it doesn't have them stinking reset button on it. It's not a GFCI, but it's an older plug. Now, I do not know for sure what the year on this is. I'm going to look. March 8th, 1996. Not too old. 1996. We're in 2022. But since the knob is broken off, it's stuck on. It's stuck on low cool. Or it's stuck on one of these cools because the compressor would not be coming on if it wasn't. So it's obviously stuck right there. And this one works. I'm going to go ahead and get the warmer. Here we go. It takes a minute for the gases to go through the coils here. Just turn the compressor off. And it has a very loud compressor. It says wait 3 minutes before resetting. Just turn it. And you can hear a compressor. It blows very cold air. Does what it's supposed to. Now, the air does get pretty cold. I can tell you that right now. It's getting cold. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off now. You can hear. Compressor. Sorry about this light going off. I got this light right here. Of course it has LED garbage in it. I hate LED. It's trash. But there you go. That was my Thetters 6,000 BTU window air conditioner. Thank you for watching.